Oke, baik. Sekarang silakan dimulai. Mulai dari perkenalkan diri dulu satu-satu. Ya, tetap pada posisi kalian tidak apa-apa ya. Mic-nya dibawa aja mengalir, lalu kemudian setelah itu silakan dimulai. Mas, kok masih main HP? Ya, silakan. Lalu ada perubahan itu nggak apa namanya personil, nggak ada personil yang tiba-tiba gabung aja enggak.
Tidak ya, Bu.
Kalau nanti saya terdeteksinya dia tiba-tiba gabung, tidak ikut persiapan dan lain-lain, saya diskualifikasi.
Dari mana?
Itu ya, silakan bisa dimulai.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mariska Fitrianti as victim number student 250H010348H.
I introduce myself. My name is Cahya Putra Ramadan, student ID number 25080102111, role public prosecutor 2.
My name is Rayis Pratna Matmantiensa, student number 25080100213.
I've introduced myself. My name is Faisal Fizan. My name is 25080100215. As the position is clerk.
Hello, my name is Nadia. My student ID is 25080103447 as a member of church.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Jordani as presiding judge. My tally number is 2508034.
Hello, my name is Novena Dolio as associate judges 2, number 72508010224.
My last ID number is 001. As we don't know, my ID number, I was number 222. My name is Selena Lomuna as the family. My ID number is 250801034. My name is Natalie. In this school, this number 250801001.
Yes.
My number 20210010209.
Kan kiri.
Silakan.
Bojok keluar mana? Oh, master. Before the trial begins, all attendants are requested to comply with the rules of their conduct in the court. Namely, first, no noise is allowed, either inside or outside in the courtroom. Second, no eating or drinking is allowed in the courtroom. Third, mobile phone must be turned off while in the courtroom. The public prosecutor and legal counsel may not enter the room. The first hearing for the examination of the defendant by the panel of judges will be held on Thursday, November 18, 2025. The panel of judges will now enter the courtroom. All attendants are requested to stand. All attendants are welcome to be seated again.
Good morning. Before the trial begins, please turn off all communication devices and be polite and orderly during the trial. Let us pray according to respective religion and beliefs. Let us begin. Prayers are finished. The Semarang District Court 1A during examining and adjudicating the case at first level with case registration number 666, 2025, regarding the attempted murder and theft case against the defendant Shalina Lamuna is hereby open and open to the public. Legal counsel is defendant ready. Legal counsel, please call the defendant to enter the courtroom.
Sure. Officer, please call me. Neither can you also.
Thank you. Good morning, defendants. Today you will be examined in relation to the criminal charges against you. Are you all ready?
Yes, sir.
Defendant, are you in good physical and mental health today?
Yes, sir.
Do you all know why you have been summoned to this trial?
Yes, sir.
All right. First, I will ask you, Charlie, about your identity, as stated in the investigation report. Name,
Sally Penalty,
age,
25 years old.
religion,
Islam.
address,
Jalan Thomas Adan Orkestra.
occupation,
Arsenal.
registration number 370, 2025, detained on September 23, 2025, since being granted by investigators. Detention center from July 25 to September 27, 2025, extended by the public prosecutor from September 27 to September 29, 2025. Is that correct?
Yes,
Have you ever been questioned by the police before
yes,
regarding the content of this investigation report is actually correct, or is there anything you deny?
nothing, Your Honor.
Have you received a copy of the indictment from the public prosecutor? Are you being represented by legal counsel in this trial? Legal counsel, have you received a power of attorney from the defendant to act as their legal counsel? Please come forward to show the power of attorney and court permit. Thank you, the public prosecutor and legal counsel. Please be seated again. The public prosecutor, are you ready with your indictment? Please read it out.
Number registration number 770/3/2024/10.6I. Defendants 1 Kumian Serri Lena Buddha, detention of the defendants and investigation and
constitutional schedule equity, entitled by the Foreign Policy Jury 25 2024 to Council 25 2024. The title have the Prosecutor's Office, Augustus 25 2024 to September 23 2024. Extension of the detention by the public hospital, September 24, 2024 to September 29, 2024. Charges, please. Primary that the defendant terminated on June 17, 2024 at around 1 p.m. The interrogation times are at least at another time during the day. The defendant has brought a number of deaths tomorrow city, or at least that is still within the jurisdiction of the Sumaran District Court. A person will commit orders or practice in an act that almost intentionally lacks the belief of the person. All accompanied are preceded by a permissible act and committed with the intention of preparing of or facilitating the act. Artificial cumulative praise. The report to the police was made by two named courts, David Nasamba and Mira F. San. The investigation uncovered the following evidence. One, list are to the victim was during the Portalos wars for blood samples. 5, the Portalos injuries. 6, the Portalos blood studies. 7, witness testimony. 8, jewelry. 9, money. 10, the victim's clothes. 11, city source. 12, the victim's motorcycle. The defendants are punishable under Article 340 in conjunction with Article 5 of the Criminal Code. Secondly, alternatively, the actions of the defendants are punishable under Article 340 in conjunction with Article 55 of the Criminal Code and are strictly the actions of the defendants are punishable under Article 365. 4 in conjunction with Article 55 of the Criminal Code, Semarang, 25 November 2025, Public Prosecutor Barista Fidelity November.
Okay, defendant, do you understand the contents of indictment read by legal cons read by the prosecutor?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defendant, do you wish to file an objection to the indictment read by the public prosecutor?
We leave it to our legal.
What about the legal counsel?
We will file an objection, Your Honor.
Very well, since the legal counsel is not filing an objection, we will continue the trial with examination of evidence and witnesses. Prosecutor, are you ready to try evidence and witnesses?
Your Honor, we will submit evidence and witness. However, we are ready for this story. Therefore, we request that Your Honor postpone this hearing for 1 week.
Does the defendant's legal counsel agree to postpone this hearing for 1 week?
The week, Your Honor, we will also prepare our evidence.
Very well, today's hearing is postponed for 1 week. What is the date week from today?
November 25, Your Honor.
Is there a holiday or special day for the court?
Yes, Your Honor.
Does this coincide with the court hearing?
No, Your Honor.
Very well, the hearing will continue on November 25, 2025 at 10 a.m. Western Indonesian time with the agenda of examining evidence and witnesses. The public prosecutor is requested to bring the defendant back and present evidence and witness and at the next hearing. The hearing is hereby closed or closed.
Good morning. Today, 25 November 2025, with the case number 666, slide P, B, slide 2025, slide PNSDA. The trial will be held.
Good morning, everyone. The Flying District for Class 1A, which examines and adjudicates cases in the first instance with case registration number 666, 2025, regarding the attempt or the accompaniment by theft on behalf of the defendant Sharina Luna is hereby declared open to the public. Today's agenda is examination of evidence by the public prosecutor. Is the defendant ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
Public prosecutor, are you ready with your evidence for today's hearing?
Your Honor, we are ready with our evidence. We have presented two witnesses in this trial with several pieces on evidence.
Defendants, please take your place next to your legal counsel and remember that you don't have the right to speak without permission from the panel of judges. Our officers, please bring in the witness. Okay. Good morning, sir. Today we will be questioned regarding the criminal charges against the defendant, Sherry. Are you ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
Before you give your testimony, you will first be sworn in according to your religion and beliefs. Are you willing to?
Yes, Your Honor.
The officer is instructed to take his place. The witness is instructed to stand. Judge member one is entitled to administer the fact.
Witness, please follow my word. In the name of God, I swear I will testify
I will testify
truthfully
truthfully
and nothing else
and nothing else
but the truth.
but the truth.
Witness, you have been sworn in, so you are obligated to give truthful testimony about what you saw, heard, or experienced yourself. And never give a false testimony because you could face criminal penalties. Do you understand?
I understand, Your Honor.
Okay. Are you good? Are you in good physical and mental health?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand and speak English well and correctly?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you able to follow today's proceedings?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you know the defendant?
No, Your Honor.
Do you have any good ties or professional ties of the defendant?
No, Your Honor.
Do you know the prosecutor?
No, Your Honor.
Do you know the legal counsel?
No, Your Honor.
Do you the witness know us as the panel of judges and court?
No, Your Honor.
Witness, do you understand why you have been summoned to this trial?
I understand, Your Honor.
All right, associated judges, do you have any questions?
Yes, Your Honor.
Please proceed.
Do you know the victim's family?
Yes, Your Honor. I am in the Neighborhood Association. They looks after all the residents, and I'm also close to the defendant and victim.
Since when have you known and been close to the family, to the victim?
For all Your Honor, ever since my son moved to your home,
Did the victim ever talk about this murder case?
I did so, Your Honor. Victim on site that so used to be friends with the defendant, but to personal conflict. They were no longer friends.
Can you explain what the conflict was at the time?
I never was, Your Honor, but I saw the victim sister Rosie as the defendant. I must say something very wrong.
That is all my question, Your Honor.
Thank you. Does the prosecutor wish to ask the witness any questions?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, please proceed.
You said earlier that the victim had verbally lost the evidence to a conflict. Do you think that this is what drove the evidence to become harder and what Mariska holds?
Previously, I was skeptical that my son was solve the defendant to commit. As at time, murder and robbery of my house. However, after I would witness with my own eyes the deed and the trying to escape, I was surprised to see Mariska on her former friend. I think I really want breakfast because he turned Mariska also and in the end, the defendant and the brother was emotional and come to water and rob Mariska house.
Okay, we have no future questions for her now.
Thank you, Oliver. Does the defense attorney have anything to say for the witness?
Yes, sir.
Please proceed.
Okay, be sure it was created for the calendar.
Because there is no logical explanation other than records.
When did you request the evidence?
In afternoon, on 5 or 4 of 5 o'clock, when I was reading the plan.
Are you sure that the picture was divided?
In my opinion, but it's no difference, but self-defense considering that the defendant brother is killed up and according to people around him as an unstable temper.
Okay, we have no further questions, so.
Thank you, legal counsel. Does the prosecutor have any question? Have any question for the witness?
Yes, Your Honor.
Please proceed.
The witness said already that the defendant has selalu reaction. He did not inform the victim that the defendant has committed fatality. Or because I really good soft matter now within the of personal private life. Anyway, Your Honor, we have no other questions.
Very well. The witness is instructed to sit in the chair for 5 minutes. You are prohibited from talking to other witnesses without the permission of the honorable judge. Do you understand?
I understand, Your Honor.
Very well. The officer is instructed to bring the next witness into the courtroom. Good morning, witness. Today you will present regarding the criminal charges against the defendant Shirley. Are you ready?
I'm ready, Your Honor.
Before you give your testimony, you will be first sworn in according to your religion and beliefs. Are you ready?
I'm ready, Your Honor.
The officer is instructed to take his place. We instruct the witness to stand. We invite Judge Member 2 to administer the oath.
Witness, please repeat after me. In the name of God,
In the name of God,
I swear,
I swear,
I will explain
I will explain
truthfully
truthfully
and nothing else
and nothing else.
but the truth.
The witness has been sworn in, so you are obligated to give the true testimony about what you saw, heard, or experienced yourself. And never give a false testimony because you can be subject to criminal sanctions. Do you understand? Good. Are you good? Are you in good physical and mental health?
Yes,
Are you able to follow these proceedings?
yes, Lord.
Do you know the defendant?
I know, yes, Lord.
Do you have any good or relationship with the defendant?
My relationship with the Lord is excellent.
Do you know the prosecutor?
No, Lord.
Do you know the legal counsel?
No, Lord.
Does the witness know us at the panel of judge and court clerk?
No, Lord.
Witness, do you understand the reason why we have been summoned to this trial?
Yes, Lord.
All right. Associate judge, are there any questions?
Yes, Your Honor.
Please proceed.
Do you know the victim's family?
I know the family because my is my friends.
Thanks, when have you know and been close to the victim?
For a long time, Lord, since I was in high school.
Can you explain the chronology of events that night?
At the time, I was to think of the price and how fast I was because at 2 a.m. I was going to the market to buy the dental food stuff at much. However, I noticed something strange happening at the so I just went along and saw that there was one snake in the water. The two people loving and trying to got the money.
Who were the people walking and carrying the gold and money?
At last, I was sure it was not selling upon one of my son. Or one price of my son.
That is sufficient, Your Honor.
Thank you, Judge Member. Does the prosecutor wish to ask the witness any questions?
Yes, Your Honor.
Please proceed.
Witness, do you know how the defendant committed murder?
I don't know how the murder was committed. When I saw it was already ready to go.
Did you ever have Mariska and Sally talking about this incident
The member decided to the public about the translation to break their friendship.
Witness, are you concerned about the friendship and conflict between the defendant and the victim?
Yes, Your Honor, because in my opinion, defendant is embarrassing. So it is only natural that the victim want to break up with the defendant.
In addition to the attempted murder case, the witness is also suspected of stealing a number of items belonging to the victim, including cash and a watch. Among the items found at the defendant's residence, do you recognize any of the items that belong to the victim?
Yes, Your Honor, next slide.
All right, Your Honor. We have no further questions.
Thank you, Public Prosecutor. Does the defense attorney have anything to say? The witness,
Yes, Your Honor.
please proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. And one wrong, the decision within the family is belong to the defendant. I'm confident because I know that there's a myself and system like this or other point in transaction. Use your certificate openly until my name is. Yes, I'm confident because it is clear that this item has been dependent and analysis and been later for explanation. Okay, you can report the questions here.
I have a question, Your Honor.
Please proceed.
The witness that are with the defendant has a very sensitive elements. Do you not know the victim that the defendant has responsibility?
No, Your Honor, because the victim. No, Your Honor, because the victim only found out the defendant had already murdered.
Okay, you have no other question, Your Honor.
Very well. The next witness is instructed to sit in the chair of man. You are prohibited from the other witness without the permission of the owner. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand, Your Honor.
Very well. We consider the examination of the witness to be complete. Please bring the witness to center of parliament. First, are you ready for physical and mental today?
Yes, Your Honor, I will start not heard to testimony as today.
First, I will ask you to state your identity as recorded in the investigation report, and I ask you to answer clearly and truthfully. Name,
Myself, Ganti,
place, and date of birth,
Semarang Agus 17 2000,
age,
25,
religion,
Islam,
address,
Manga Street, number 9, Semarang.
occupation,
That are the enterprise employee,
nationality.
Indonesia.
Before you give your testimony, you will be sworn in. Are you willing to do so?
Yes, I am willing, Your Honor.
The officer is instructed to take his place, and judge number 2 is invited to admission door to instruct the team to stand.
Victim, please follow my word. In the name of God,
In the name of God,
I swear
I swear
that I will testify
that I will testify
truthfully
truthfully
and nothing but
and nothing but
the truth.
the truth.
The victim has been sworn in, so she is fully fit to give truthful testimony about what she told her experience with her. And she must never give false testimony because she could face criminal penalties. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand, Your Honor.
Do you know the defendants?
Yes, I know, Your Honor.
Do you know what case you are being examined for in this trial?
Yes, I know. It is related to the small items and surrendered from in my house.
How did you know that your money, jewelry, and motorcycle were missing?
I found that 1 p.m. when I went upstairs to get a drink, I saw the person walking towards the stairs, and however, the person was already trying something out of my burgers, such as money and jewelry.
How did you react after seeing them?
I tried to run away, but the perimeter has the door and attempted to look my eyes.
Alright, please explain when you realized the money, jewelry, and motorcycle were missing, where they are, and were there any other items missing or damaged?
Your Honor, there is damage to the panel of items.
Very well, Prisoner. Please submit the evidence to the panel of judges. Is this evidence yours?
Yes, Your Honor, this item belongs to me.
Okay, we consider the examination of the victim to be complete. The defendant is ordered to seek back down before the honorable judge. Observe. Please bring the defendant to the center of the courtroom. Thank you. Good morning, defendant. You will examine on this day. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready, sir.
Good. The officer is instructed to take his place, and Judge number one is instructed to act in support.
Victim, please repeat after me. In the name of God, in the name of God, I swear that I will testify truthfully, and nothing but the truth. Please sit down.
You have been sworn in, so you are obligated to give truthful testimony about what you saw, experience yourself. And you must not give false testimony because you could face criminal penalties. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand, Your Honor.
Are you in good physical and mental health?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you able to follow the proceedings today?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Associate Judge One, do you have any questions?
Yes, Your Honor. Defendant, do you know the victim family? No, Your Honor. I only know Mariska. Defendant, is it true that you attempted to murder Mariska at her home? Yes, Your Honor. Then, is it also true that the defendant stole from Mariska? Yes, Your Honor. All right, Your Honor. I have no further question.
All right. Does the prosecutor have any questions for the defendant?
Yes, Your Honor.
Please proceed.
Okay, defendants, you have finished all your questions. Could you please provide the again beforehand? Defendant, please answer the defendant.
Your Honor, the defendant has the right to remain silent. I do not have wish to answer, Your Honor.
Did you attend the matter of the briefing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then, what item did you use to attend the matter of the briefing?
I used to go to identify eyes, but I never intended to harm the victim.
You sure you have some meeting messages? Where did you leave the ingredient after stealing items from the victim house?
Because Mars could not be, so I were forced to injure the victim.
Alright, now, I have now for the witness.
All right. Do any of the associate judge have any additional questions?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, please proceed.
Have you ever committed murder or theft before?
No, Your Honor.
Defendant, was there anyone else who helped you in committing attempted murder accompanied by theft other than your one sibling?
Yes, Your Honor, that was my brother.
All right, this is sufficient, Your Honor.
Okay, counsel, counsel, does the defendant have any questions?
Yes, Your Honor.
Please proceed.
Defendant, when you were pregnant, did you provide or say about your fully? Yes, ma'am. I said everything fully and often. Defendant, when you bring your son, did you admire for all your action? Yes, ma'am, that's correct. I attempted to murder the company items. So, when you committed the crime, you did not give along. Yes, ma'am, that's correct. Defendant, are you aware of the legal consequence of your action? Yes, ma'am, I'm aware. Do you regret committing it? Yes, ma'am, I'm very sorry. Your Honor, we have no legal remedy.
Okay, very well. Today's hearing is adjourned for 1 day. What is the date? 1 day from today for
December 9, 2025, Your Honor.
Is there a holiday or special day for birth?
No, Your Honor.
Does it coincide with the corpus trial?
No, Your Honor.
Very well, the hearing will be postponed and resumed on the defendants, public prosecutors, and legal advisors are all to attend according to the hearing schedule with a formal summons. Today's hearing is hereby adjourned.
Good morning. Today, 2nd December 2025, with the case number 666 B 2025 PN SDA, the trial will be held.
Okay, good morning everyone. This one is a quote on a which examines and adjudicates case at the first level with case registration number 636, 2025, regarding the attempt murder accompanied by death on behalf of the defendant Chevrolet is declared open and open to the public. Public prosecutors, if the defendant ready. Ready, Public prosecutor, please call the defendant to enter the courtroom. Yes, Your the court of lecture, please call the defendant to enter the courtroom. Defendants, are you in good physical and mental health?
Yes, Your Honor, my name is Evidence.
In accordance with the minutes of the previous hearing, today's hearing is for the reading of the charges. The public prosecutor ready with the charges. Your Honor. The public prosecutor is entitled to read the charges. Yes, Your Honor. The smart district authorities authorized to exercise in the under case 1666 point B slash 2025 slash point slash PN point STL. The prosecutor advocacy district is authorized acting as a public prosecutor. Although considering the result of the examination in the trial that examined and configured on behalf of the defendant based on the judge decision advocacy support. Under that of number 1666.6 point B less 2025 less PN point yeah. As well as the cash transfer letter modification number 30B less B point 5 point 10 less MB point 5 less 6 less 2025. The defendant must show before the court without negotiation as clear on as standards in the criminal legal. Namely, just one. Article 3009 in conjunction with Article 55 of the Criminal Code. Just two. Article 365 paragraph 1 in conjunction with 55 of the Criminal Code. Just three. Article 340 of the Criminal Code. We remain there, the Somali District Court just significant categorically discrete says. To find the potentially guilty of committing criminal acts of contempt murder as requested in Article 339 of the Criminal Code. To find the potentially guilty of committing a criminal act of disputing the world proceeding as placed in Article 13 of Law number 18 of 2011. The evidence shall be sentenced to 18 years in this conference in slide shall and is ordered to pay one cost of 100,000 rupiah. The criminal indictment keeps read out in court on Tuesday, December 2025. It is all I have said, Madam. Okay, that is the criminal charge read out by the public prosecutor. To the defendant, do you wish to object to the charge?
You for all the counsel, Your Honor.
Very well, and I want you will you submit a defense against the charge? Very well. To the defendants and the legal counsel is the defense ready. Please read it out.
The allegation for a liar was the first one has known 666 place 2025 PM SDA defendant withdrew one the color on private charge of filing article 339 to 55 and has daily charge of filing article 365 paragraph 4 to 55 of the Criminal Code. After carefully and totally reading the hospital agreement, we respectfully disagree with the hospital agreement. We will agree with the hospital and discussion of our colleagues and the public procedures advice regarding the requirements for the element of the private charge and therefore we will not commit a legal basis of this private charge. Your Honor, regarding the opinion of the public college, it is said that even though has been already again on the mysterious who have committed a criminal address and machines subpoena insolence. B. Even though the countries with that on the arguments we have present taking into account the protection of the law and regulation. The defendant and the counsel request that the final appearance and finding and the hearing this case in accordance with Article 365 paragraph 3 and with the time of the following. The fact that defendant did not shepherd and legally provoked in his section to the article under which all the facts are plaintiffs with graduation. 2. Based on the defendant counsel as stated in the trial transcript, the defendant regrets his action, apologizes, and is prepared to take responsibility for his action and mistake. If the defendant has been required to be appropriately prove the fact by providing of the information the defendant knows. 4. The defendant has paid for a very heavy punishment from the community, not only for defendant himself but also for his family. 5. Based on the fact that the defendant has never committed a criminal offense in the community, you are. 6. Considering that the defendant's initial intention was only to vindicate against the victim who had that because the defendant's was reported and another one over the mission. This led to the confiscation of his heinous act. Therefore, the defendant is under Article 365 paragraph 3 and imposes a maximum sentence of 15 years. Those who can submit display our defense argument in case on state. Second, 2025. We can rely on the report that potential with acceptance of his defense. Joanna, the defendant also submitted the following defense.
Okay. Defendants, please read your personal defense.
Good morning, Honorable Court. I'm very confused and cannot believe what has happened. I'm not cruel. I'm not a cruel person. I'm not helpless and I do not have the hurt to do someone. I hope that the honorable judges will act as fairly as possible. It will as I understand it. Judges are God, represented by her. And their decisions will affect a person's life. Thank you, Your Honor.
Very well. There is a difference for our plea presented by the defendant single policy. And the public prosecutor, do you wish to submit for a reply to the defendant's defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Very well. Will the prosecutor's reply be presented orally and in writing?
Orally, Your Honor.
Very well. Please proceed.
Very well, Your Honor. With the charges that have been presented to stand by the charges we have presented.
Okay, the hearing will now proceed with the regular reading of the defendant. We ask the defendant to the public prosecutor and legal counsel to listen attentively to the verdicts that will be read today. In accordance with the rights stipulated in the criminal procedure code, the procedure code, as well as the rights of the public prosecutor. If you are dissatisfied or don't accept the verdict by the panel of judges, you may file a legal appeal as stipulated in law. Verdict number 666, 2025, in the name of justice based on the supremacy of God. The Semarang District Court, which tried the criminal case in a regular trial at the first level, is the following decision. Taking into consideration Article 362 in conjunction with Article 365, paragraph 1 and 2, as well as Article 340 of the Criminal Code and Law number 8 of 1981 concerning criminal procedure and other relevant laws and regulations. Judgment 1 declares that the defendant has been proven legally and convincingly guilty of committing the crime of the accompanied by intended manner. 2. Sentences the defendant has been proven legally and convincingly guilty of committing the crime of the accompanied by attempted murder. 3. Declares that the period of arrest and detention already struck by the defendant shall be deducted in full from the sentence imposed. 4. Declares that the defendant shall remain in custody. 5. Declares that the defendant in the form of botulinum toxin chemical formula 2030 grams of blood of alcohol and the victim wounds on the chest, both neck Blood sample and fingerprint of the perpetrator containing A from several siblings, and the perpetrator's skin imprint, which has been matched with that found on FIs and the victim. The perpetrator's blood stains which have also been matched with the victims. The victim had two motorcycles, 2008 and with K 193 ml and 2009 Jupiter with license plate K 890 GK. Pure gold generally consisting of three nickel necklace, 5 rings, and 14 bracelets, and 4 million rupiah in case. The items are to be returned to the rightful owners, namely the victim family. 1. The motorcycles are to be returned to the victim family. 2. The case and jewelry are to be confiscated and destroyed. 3. The debtor is ordered to pay court costs of 1,000 rupiah. This is the decision of the Somali District Court panel of Justice on Tuesday, November 2, 2025, by us and the Barani, especially Judge Resikatri Aulia and Nabila Fitri, is as member judge, with announcement in a public hearing and on the same day by the Chief Judge, accompanied by the member judges and assisted by Vice President as a corporate candidate at the Somali District Court, and attended by Kanaya Shandara Madani, of the Parishma and the defendants and the legal counsel. Presiding Judge Edith Radani signed, Associated Judge Fikatri Aulia and Corporal Vice President the understand the content of the verdict.
Yes, Your Honor,
Based on the verdict, you have following the right to reject or accept the verdict, to study the verdict before accepting it or to think about it. To request a postponement of the verdict to apply for clemency, which of these rights will you exercise?
I will leave it all to my legal counsel, Your Honor.
Very well. What's about the legal counsel?
Legal counsel, it,
Very well. Next to the public prosecutor, regarding the verdict, I will reject or accept the verdict. Study the verdict before accepting it or think about it first. Or request a postponement of the verdict's execution.
Very well, Your Honor. We will consider it.
This concludes the trial of criminal case against the defendant study on this date, dated December 2, 2025. The trial is hereby closed.
In accordance with the presiding judge's order and with the conclusion of today's trials, I, as the clerk, hereby declare that the verdict in the attempted murder case involving defendant Shirley has been pronounced legal and is applicable to both parties. The minutes of the hearing will be documented and signed by presiding judges, the panel of judges, the public prosecutor, the legal counsel, and the court clerk. Thus concludes the minute of the trial of at the Semarang District Court today. May justice always with our step. Thank you, and the trial is officially closed.
Berapa ini, Jo? Berapa di sini? Coba cek.
Garis bawahi. Kita foto bersama. Itu
Kayak cebol banget. Gimana? Kita sih. Satu lepas kita sampai kan terus 160 kemarin pas ngecek bisa kilometer banjir aku pernah ngecek tapi kecek lagi ini kan harus nanti
Tapi malah gimana?
Ya, sana. Terus, kamu sudah tiga di sini. Kamu sini.
Ya.
Masih. Coba ya, sini ya. Perkenalannya dari ya. Oh, memang. Makan Indonesia atau Inggris?
Indonesia ini pertama itu. Bahkan ada yang makan donasi yang dibilang tapi orang donasi. Bagai donasi. Kualitas lupa.
Kenapa saya cerita ini? Yang belakang ketua satu sebagai dokter forensik. Perkenalkan saya Dewan Fauzia yang belakang sebagai dividen. Nama saya Dewan Fauzia sebagai tidak di belakang harus sebagai ujian. Perkenalkan bahwa saya dari Madura Afrika dan tidak di belakang bila saya di Inggris. Selama saya menjadi yang digunakan sebagai jawaban sebagai dari sekolah. Kamu langsung masuk ke satu dua.
Apa yang pakai dengan ini? Menjadi nama dan bukan sebagai English.
Perkenalkan, I want to you have in our social media reference to play of this group.
Perkenalkan, nama saya Rizky Adrianto, di belakang sebagai kali ya. Perkenalkan, nama saya Dilan Tidak Wargana dengan menggunakan keturunan sebagai all Twitter.
Perkenalkan saya Dewan Fauzia tidak di belakang sebagai person server. Anggra. Manggil Bu Adi. Sharing sama Muslim. Sharing duduk sama hakim. DFH tersesat. Kenapa banyak banget?
Kelas 1 ya?
Males sih. Yang depannya kuburan itu kan.
Kelas lain.
Boleh pesan gimana ditambah
Bisa bisa. Ya, juga. Makan dari pagi. Pak, latihan, Pak.
Aku juga kan, kamu dia ganti. Kamu latihan ya?
Latihan.
Semoga
Ucap latihan. Belum bisa terus.
semoga sukses ya teman-teman.
Semangat ya, servisnya udah buat dari malam. Udah jadi.
Ada yang mana?
Acaranya apa?
Iya,
Bisa.
dibagi jadi 2. Nanti kantornya mungkin langsung dikirim sama saya. Buat kayak makanan itu pasti pagi sampai sore nggak salah. Tapi buat puncaknya kayak musik dan lain-lain itu malam.
Kamu mau lagi itu?
Harusnya ada ya.
Aku belajar kelas Masih nggak saksi macam.
Malam. Ada yang mau mendengar sore. Selesai jam berapa?
Atau yang kayaknya untuk tuh jam 11.
Jam 11.
Itu kan masuk di YouTube-nya Bayu nggak? Serius? Bayu tahu percakapan kita nggak sih?
Iya.
Maaf ya.
Kok gitu?
Dia nonton kali juga. Jangan bangun dia nyalain lu. Oh, kamu dikerjain itu barunya. Aduh.
Iya, terus banget. Jadi aku tempelan di kasar. Sampai kali ini lagi dibuat.
Dim sumo. Dim sumo. Di Jepang kak? Sebelahnya Estel ya. Kemarin waktu apa? Waktu Leeds ada. Waktu Leeds seminar. Semua ada di samping. Di pojok yang sebelah. Kalau mau masuk aku di belakang banget. Enggak di belakang santai aku belakang. Iya, belakang banget. Aku berangkat jam setengah 10. Iya. Setengah 10 lebih malah. Kan baru mulai itu jam 10 kan. Ya. Itu panitianya tuh ditarik sama dosen dong. Iya serius dipilih, panitia tuh dipilih. Ya karena kalau buat orang lain maksudnya ada, tapi kalau kita ya udah itu aja. Nah, akhirnya bisa kenalan ulang Pak? Udah, yuk.
Maka nama saya orang Sulawesi yang membawa pemilihan sebagai Dinas.
Karena saya langsung dengan sebagai dokter forensik. Perkenalkan nama saya Rewan Fabian dan Bahasa dan sebagai terdakwa. Perkenalkan nama saya Rewan dengan Limbangan 004 sebagai legal counsel. Perkenalkan nama saya Nurul Agriman dan tidak dilarang sebagai tetap. Mohon saya dengan bapak dengan dilarang sebagai tetap. Maka saya dari negeri dengan dilarang selamat sebagai siswa di kampus.
Perkenalkan nama saya dengan manajer dengan 35 dan berperan sebagai Inggris.
Perkenalkan, nama saya Muhammad Bismillah, di belakang Selasa juga berperan sebagai Tristul.
Perkenalkan, nama saya Rizky Adherma di belakang 1 sebagai ketua. Perkenalkan, nama saya Dilan Estia Pardana dengan memimpin belakang 82 dengan peran of leader.
Perkenalkan saya tidak menerima pasca dengan yang doakan 333 sebagai prosedur guru.
Perkenalkan, saya Firda dari Sebenarnya dengan tiga mengenal sebagai perseteruan.
Mulai sudah
Ya, mulai.
Ah,
Ini di mana?
yes. Ah. Ladies and gentlemen, please stand. The panel of judges from the Surya Kencana District Court will enter the courtroom.
The trial of the criminal case of the Surya Kencana District Court with examination and educates criminal case number 234/EID.B/2025/C on behalf of the defendant Kayla Andini today, Tuesday, November 25, 2025, be declared open and open to the public. Please sit down.
Present, Your Honor. The defendant Kayla Andini was also present in the courtroom.
Good. The defendant, please come forward. I will check identify our sister. Sister full name, place of birth, and occupation.
Surabaya, 5 of May, 1995, right to the employee.
Are you in the spiritual and physical to follow this trial?
No, see, authority.
You are appointed by a legal counsel. This is the legal official.
Mr. President, I am representing from the law firm Atmaja and Powers. We have submitted the special power of opportunity.
Well, it will verify. The defendant, please return to your seat. The agenda is reading the indictment from the prosecutor. Prosecutor, ready?
Yes, sir.
Please read the indictment.
Indictment number PDF 78/SEM/10/2025. Statute, the defendant on Saturday, August 10th, 2025, at approximately 6 a.m. Post-termination time or at least at some time in August 2025 at the front of the defendant house on Valley Street, number 12, Supermarket, Surya Kencana has simply committed violence or trace of violence. First, section, a series of lies or induce a child to commit unallowed indecent acts or abuse a child. That the act was committed by the defendant in the following manner: that at the time and places the defendant, who had just returned from work, found the front window of his house broken due to being hit by a ball played by the victim witness A.H.N. That the defendant, who was in emotional state, left the house and innocently approached the victim A. Without warning, the defendant immediately slapped the victim A's left cheek twice with the palm of her right hand. It didn't stop there. The defendant then kicked the victim A's back with her right foot once, causing victim A to fall and cry. Then, as a result of the defendant's actions, the victim witnessed 8 sustained injuries as described in the film at the version number PER/33/8/2025 Hospital, which was prepared and signed by Dr. Maris. With the conclusion, a flash bruise measuring 5 3 centimeters was found on the left cheek, and a bruise measuring 4 centimeters was found on the mid-back, caused by blunt force trauma. The defendant's actions are as regulated and punishable under Article 18, Paragraph 1, in conjunction in Article 76C of law number 25 of 2014 concerning amendments up to law number 20 of 2002 concerning child protection.
Good, you can repeat it. Do you understand the context of inducement, justice, and prosecutor?
Yes, I understand you.
To the legal counsel, will you file objection or not of objection to this charge?
Your Honor, the understanding of there's I do not keep doing my exception. May what the trial compares to the applicant president on this case can consent expedition.
Well, since there was no objection, then our trial continue with the agenda, the examination of the witness. Are you ready? Please present the first witness.
Witness, is that your identity?
My name is Selasa Afifah. My name is Ima. 30 years old housewife.
Before you give your statement, you will first be sworn. Please step.
By Allah, I swear to give the truth, nothing but the truth.
By Allah, I swear to the truth and nothing but
Prosecutor, please ask the question.
Thank you, Your Honor. Because not telling the law, so you know, and saw on the day of Israel, and person and in the evening.
I was to be in the kitchen, Your Honor. Suddenly, I have one child, a crying loudly, screaming. I immediately ran outside.
What do you see when you go out?
I saw my child had fallen on the road, and the child was standing in front of me, pulling very angry.
Did you see the defendant directly crying out with you?
I did not see where she fled, and I simply saw that Mrs. Skyla hit my son's friend when he was about to get up. After that, I shouted, "Mrs. Skyla, my son." Then she stopped and went into her house while angry about the glass.
What happened to your son after that?
My child cheeks are red and swollen. He said his break hard. That night he didn't want to eat and was trying to leave the house.
I love your mother.
Legal counsel, please ask if you have any question.
Thank you. Witness, did you know before incident the child already had broken the I always follow letters, but if it were his blood, my child is only 10 years old. I was on back. Is it true your child and his child already and five blood in the same even we already found them? They are just the child now. Oh my goodness.
By Allah, I swear to give the truth and nothing but the truth.
Oh, goodness, what did you say? As I saw my partner, it's only the conflict of studying on the weekend one of rice. Now they the record in not either.
Mrs. Atwood, my wife during this time indicate as on that he saw.
You are gonna but there is something it was also in manager of I understand I let's see not
By Allah, I swear to give the truth and nothing but the truth.
By Allah, I swear to give the truth and nothing but the truth.
Mr. Noble, what do you know?
I am witnessing teacher.
What is your action?
2 days after the incident, on Monday, I came to school. I noticed he looked sad and did not play. There was blue bruise in his left cheek.
Not your father.
By Allah, I swear to give the truth and nothing but the truth.
what I swear to the truth and not the truth. Chapter Minutes. Did you conduct the examination and issue the reason at the 415A? Yes, I did. Can you explain findings to the council? Best of the electrical grid R/A/8/255/RS the examination on 10 August 2025 at 8 p.m. WAD iPhone 15. A. August burst on the leafy of 5 centimeter in diameter with measure consistent with the linear grid or slab. A burst on legal bed measured 4 by 4 centimeter consistent with the blood force trauma. In this case possibly caused by kick. Conclusion. There, injured others with blunt force trauma and are unlikely to have been caused by a simple bone. Further, bone tissue have been uttered. As a result, the matter on the check is very difficult slack. The one on the back of helping cause very unique but and commonly now as small. And the check one is very consistent with the chronology of the sound.
Well, the defendant now is your turn to testify. Are all the witness statement are true?
It's true that I slept here, but I believe it was only once. I was controlling.
Only once, but the witness said twice.
I may have forgotten because I was.
You also did.
Yes, I did only lightly. I had so home from work, I was tired, and then I heard the sound of last breaking. I only mentioned all the sense, so he won't break, so he won't play vulgar again. I never went so badly. I learned my action.
Good. Our trial continues with the agenda of agreement from the prosecutor.
Thank you, Your Honor. Based on the facts revealed in court, including witness testimony, experts, opinions, wisdom, and errors, and the defendant's statements, we are convinced that the defendant Kayla has been proven legally and completely guilty of the crime of child abuse, as stipulated in Article 18, Paragraph 1 of the Child Protection Law. Before reviewing the charges, allow us to consider aggravating factors. The defendant's actions has caused physical and psychological trauma to the child victim. The defendant, as an adult, should have been a protector of the child, not a perpetrator of violence. Mitigating circumstances. The defendant was polite during the trial and admitted to her actions. Although she was excited about the number of slaps, the defendant has never been convicted. Therefore, we, the public prosecutors, request that the panel of judges of the Supreme Court, which is hearing this case, decide declaring the defendants Kayla Andini guilty. Sentencing the defendants to 1 year and 6 months in prison, reduced by the period of detention imposed in court cost of 5 million.
You have heard the demand of prosecutor. You are entitled to plea or defense. Go ahead.
We will not identify that our client committed assault. Our client has been entirely wrong. However, honorable panel of justice, we must rule of the problem. Where client was required when she became from work and she found the property already broken in the victim. Our client action is this contact action. Our client is the witness of this family. If she is included for 1 years, who will support this family? Therefore, we ask for the panel of judges to consider the percent of justice. Thus, 1 year's prison sentence is conditional as flexibility parts. We request to likeness possible sentence. Or, if possible, the panel of judges may impose permission as an opportunity for our to improve herself without having to go to prison.
The agenda is reading of the verdict. The panel of judge, after considering the fact and the trial witness statement, evidence, procedural argument, and legal consultations, the panel of judge deliberate and make decision. Defendant Kayla Andini has been proven legally and convincingly accused of committing the crime of physical violence against children, as in the indictment, prosecutor imposed imprisonment on the defendant care for 1 year. Stipulate that the crime does not need to be carried out unless in the future there is a judge decision that determines otherwise, due to the conflict conviction of criminal offense before the trial period for 2 years. Stating evidence in the form of clothing picture returned to the victim family of witness amount. Charge the defendant to pay a cash fee 5,000 rupiah. This judgment is read to the defendant. You understand this verdict?
I understand.
The prosecutor and legal counsel upon this decision, you are have right to accept, appeal, or think for 7 days.
Think about it.
Good. With the reading this decision, the draft of criminal case number 234/PID.B/2025/PN.SI on behalf of defendant Kayla Andini declared closed.
Ladies and gentlemen, please follow. The panel of judges will leave the courtroom.
Yeah.
Sekian praktek sidang dari kami untuk satu kelompok kami tidak ada maaf. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Ambil foto ya. Aku pas kemarin dari tadi sudah kan awal dan iya. Satu dua di dua.
Terima kasih ya.
Harusnya kan itu kan 3 doang. Itu ada 4. Oh, dan biasanya berarti ini banyak kan?
Buat sana masih jauh banyak sekali.
Kalau ini kontak
Maaf ya, sudah maaf. Kenapa miring banget ya? Sorry. Ya masih.
satu lagi tadi.
Ini miring, yang miring dua.
Oh, tiga. Ini dua ke sini.
Satu lagi,
Awas. Kalau ini kalau
di mana? Rio tolong sosial yang itu, yang sana tolong dimasukin itu. Ini kan gimana rasanya? Itu masih kurang ini berapa? Masih kurang bang berapa? Iya benar ya. Kerjanya ini tuh di depan nggak sini? Yang punya dosen itu loh. Ya Allah teman-teman di bawah dosen aja. Ini kebanyakan satu orang sekarang. Potongin satu bagi satu. Oh iya benar. Potongnya kan dua. Ya satu satu. Ini atur dulu lagi karena udah jalan. Itu kursinya di sana mau dipikirin dong. Itu tapi kan dipakai. Ini buat oh iya maaf ya. Tapi gak ada tutup lainnya ambil. Oh ya sini kan ini. Kurang 3. Kalau saya sekarang ya. Kalau ya kurang. Ini gimana tuh? Oh iya, belum ya. Terima kasih. Terima kasih. Ini untuk sana nih. Ini kunci. Ini terserah. Mana yang udah kursi? Udah semua? Ada. Bangkunya nggak siap dulu. Sudah ini baru diberesin sudah. Oh mau dibuat bisa dijerok. Ini baru buat sudah lagi. Ada lagi ya? Oh ya. Oke. Tunggu ya. Bentar ya, diberesin dulu. Ya. Aku tiga. Aku tiga. Aku tiga.
Lima.
Tiga.
Lima.
Tiga. Om lima.
Ya, Bipa. Om Bipa dia radio.
Ya, lu yang pertama Om Bipa. Enggak usah.
Enggak, Bipa aja.
Ya, tiga. Tiga. Tiga udah. Baik, jangan dari situ. Udah sore. Sore kok.
Ini udah setelah benar benar jam 7 sampai jam jam 7 sampai jam 9, jam 10 sampai paginya nggak terlalu datang itu bukan. Tapi itu sih kayaknya jelas sih. Ini wajib kunci yang baru siapa? Ayo gambarnya siapa yang pertama?
Kristin.
Siapa?
Sama tiga aku. Nggak tahu.
5. Berdua.
Tiga aku.
Kalau terakhir Meg. Iya.
Jadi kamu sendiri yang hari.
Dear friend. I want to discuss about sustainable development. Those are 16 about peace, justice, and constitution. Power is the foundation. Sustainable society, consistent of equal access to justice, job and transparent institutions. Sustainable development is just a dream that will never come true. Come true or come true? The nation will still face major challenges. Corruption that wouldn't itu ada.
Berarti udah abis ini ada kelas ya?
Nah, ini sisa zoomnya.
Literasi digital dan komunikasi itu apa nggak sih? Ini ini di sini. Berarti di sini ada kelas lagi. Iya. Berarti kalau ayo langsung dia harus ya izin tanya tapi kok pas kelas PKI ada
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
ada lagi
Ya nonton.
apa aja please bisa dipencet tuh ada gambar Tuh, kalau kali ini berganti. Berarti kan kelas tuh. Ya, udah Pak. Nggak mau.
Emang kamu di depan orangnya?
Ya.
Kenapa?
Iya.
Ini sih nggak mau. Oh, kan lagi video.
Iya, nggak apa-apa. Better itu. Tapi malu dan tiba-tiba muncul. 3 menit lagi.
Kalau kamu
Mbak, kamu bilang apa? Ada kelas. Dari kamera, dari kalian, dari buku. Tengah siapa ya?
Apa?
Itu Fadli. Fadli.
Untuk videonya gimana coba nanti?
Apa? Kalau yang depan tuh pada depan. Udah.
Ntar anterin. Aku tidur. Aku dipantau video. Diganti nggak sih? Ini nggak mati. Ini mau. Ya udah, dia lainnya sampai ini semua.
Ya kan? Ini itu saya masih ada di luar. Ya ada.
Masuk dulu kalau tuh.
Dari mana?
Kita sekarang atas. masih banyak itu.
Ya, tinggal lihat. Kemudian diobrol ya, habis itu ada soal. Masih jadi.
Partisipan yang di rumah. Tapi nggak di sini. Jangan di kos dulu, please. Di kos dulu.
Baik. Bawah kegiatan. Ada. Ada. Tolong dong cek di web aja. Lagi di grup. Kalau aja di grup ya nanti.
Ya, ya.
Oh, boleh. Udah ya. Di sini kami yang berdua dari
Apa? Bagaimana ya, Bu?
Bagaimana ya Bu? Lanjutkan ke dari kamu. Bagaimana? Mau gimana?
Assalamualaikum Bu. Waalaikumsalam. Yang masuk dari kamu. Selamat siang ke sih. Isi sudah ya.
Iya.
Yang untuk itu. Sama sekali kurang.
Iya. Malam ini siapa?
Jadi nggak sakit kalau gimana kan? Kami yang
Gimana? Mas. Aku ternyata minggu kemarin absen.
Semua orang
Kalian itu absen berapa kali? Satu. Kalau kali satu minggu kemarin. Satu pas lagi ada kayak ya. Tidak. Kayak ya. Ini gimana Kak?
Dan mengurangi kata supaya kan bahasa dari dan membuat ada eksternal itu maka dari itu
Gak bisa lihat lagi lah ini bisa kalau tidak itu kalau kayaknya biasanya kalau kalian itu channel dulu ayo aku tapi yang masuk harus jadi kita harus agak masa masih apa yang mau eksplorasi masih ada terima kasih. Ada earrings. Berapa? Bisa ini apaan? Itu berapa ini bagusnya? Tadi ngapain? Maybe we can let it one day. Okay, jadi kita baca itu gimana bosan? Itu tuh malah jadi sendiri. Sebelum berarti itu dua sentence. Kalau kita tanggal 9 yang harus tanggal 9 aku harus sebelum tanggal 9 atau boleh sendiri.
Tambahan dari yang begitu. Kalau bilang akan cuma soal Oke, saat menunggu ibu-ibu itu pasti tidak udah sabar. Aku masih pikir ini. Yang kamera di orang. Tapi kalau apa gitu. Aku malah mau beli ini nanti ya bilang hiburan ya, tapi saya melihatnya dari mana gitu. Iya, dia sepi. Terus film itu begitu. Nah, ini apa ya baru itu kata kita lingkungan baru. Guys, itu apa ya? Waktu yang lain nggak mencari itu berasa. Tapi bukan mengawali kehidupan itu. Makanya kalau mau kelas ini aku bingung. Yang kayak gini itu bisa mikir salah satu berlaku. Bisa Twitter belum